How to boil eggs correctly. Tips for soft eggs, easy to peel, no cracks. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. You think boiling eggs is just a matter of putting them in water and boiling them? You're wrong! Just add a little step that few people know. The eggshell will pop open when peeled, and the egg white will be soft, fragrant, and extremely delicious. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Eggs, seemingly simple, are a familiar superfood that every household has. Eggs contain lecithin, which helps improve health if eaten every day. And especially, boiled eggs are a way to eat that helps absorb maximum nutrients, much better than fried or scrambled eggs. However, many people boil eggs and the shells keep cracking, the yolks are undercooked or overcooked and lose all their delicious taste. So what is the secret to having a perfect batch of boiled eggs with crackling shells, soft, smooth, fragrant, and fatty like in restaurants? Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. In this video, I will reveal each small, simple tip that anyone can do successfully. Let's get started. First, check for cracks or scratches. If there are any, the pot will break. Prepare the appropriate amount of eggs for the number of people eating. Put them in a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and a moderate amount of baking soda to the bowl. Add water, stir well, and soak for 5 minutes. This step helps to disinfect and soften dirt on the eggshell. When the time is up, use a paper towel to wipe clean thoroughly because eggshells often contain many impurities such as bacteria and chicken droppings. If not cleaned, we will accidentally eat it, very dangerous. Put it in the dishwasher, if available, or wash by hand. Do not wash too much at once because the eggshell has a natural protective layer. If washed too clean, it will be difficult to preserve for long. After washing, remove the eggs to a plate to drain. Then, gently place the eggs in the pot. Whether washing or stacking eggs, be gentle to avoid breaking the shell. Otherwise, the eggs can easily crack during boiling and the whites will spill out, ruining the egg. One big no-no when boiling eggs is not to use hot water right from the start. If you drop an egg into boiling water, the large temperature difference causes the shell to crack and the egg to break. In addition, eggs in boiling water will roll around, easily causing the shell to crack, and the egg white will not have time to set and will overflow. Using hot water also makes eggs tough and lose their flavor. The correct way is to place the eggs in a pot of cold water and then bring them to a boil. The water will go from cold to hot and then boil. This process helps the eggs adapt and prevent cracking, keeping their shape. Eggs boiled this way are also softer and more flexible. When the water starts to heat up and the eggs start to roll around in the pot, it means the eggs are almost set and less likely to crack. At this point, many people start boiling, but there is actually one more step missing. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt helps the eggs become more flavorful and cook faster. Add a few drops of white vinegar. Vinegar is an acid which reacts with the eggshell, calcium carbonate, to make it softer and more elastic. The boiled egg will not crack. Salt plus vinegar make eggs soft and easy to peel. Cover and start cooking. Timing is also important. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes after the water boils. The egg is still runny, the yolk is not cooked, the bacteria are not dead, should not be eaten. Boil for 3–5 minutes, eggs are just cooked, yolks are slightly thick, best taste. Over 5 minutes, dry eggs, tasteless, easy to choke. So, when the water boils, just boil for another 3–5 minutes for best results. When it was time, I opened the lid, scooped it out with a slotted spoon, and found that none of the eggs were cracked. Perfect. Then, immediately put the eggs in cold water for 2 minutes to cool quickly. Cooling quickly helps the shell and egg yolk separate more easily. The egg does not get hot and is very easy to peel. When the time is up, take them out, arrange them on a plate, and start peeling. The eggs that have been chilled are very easy to peel. The shells come off gently without breaking. The shell and egg separate perfectly. Just peel it lightly and it's done. The cooked egg is soft, chewy, and looks very beautiful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, cut it open for everyone to see. The yolk should be smooth and soft, not dry or hard. Remember, after the water boils, boil for 3–5 minutes for best results. After peeling comes the fun part. Let's make a cute egg shape with me. Prepare the empty milk carton. Cut a part of the milk carton. Then rinse in preparation for the next step. Fold the cardboard in half lengthwise to form a V shape. Place the peeled egg in the center of the cardboard fold, small end of the egg facing down. Use a chopstick to place it diagonally on top of the egg, like creating a slight pressure on the middle of the egg. Then secure the two ends of the chopstick with a rubber band to create pressure. Put the entire egg mold in the refrigerator for about 10–15 minutes to let the eggs keep their shape. Take the egg out, unmold it, then cut it in half lengthwise. You will see a beautiful heart shape. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Summary: Wash eggs with salt plus baking soda before boiling. When boiling, add salt plus white vinegar to make the eggs soft and easy to peel. After the water boils, boil for 3–5 minutes for best taste. Then soak in cold water to make peeling easier. There is a question that has been bothering me for a long time, and I don't know if anyone can answer it. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? If anyone has solid scientific knowledge, please leave a comment. Today's video ends here. If you find the content useful, remember to like, follow, and share it with your relatives and friends. Click on my avatar to watch more great videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.